Ever wondered what happens to your state pension when you pass away? This video will uncover all the details you need to know. Before we jump into today's topic, please take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement helps us reach more people and provide more valuable content. In this video, we'll explore the fate of your state pension after your death. We'll break down the rules, who could be eligible for some benefits, and under what circumstances. Understanding what happens to these funds is crucial for planning your family's financial future. We'll also discuss how different scenarios can affect the transfer of your pension benefits. Whether you're single, married, or in a civil partnership, the outcomes can vary significantly. Lastly, we'll touch on the importance of keeping your nominee information up to date. This ensures that any entitlements are correctly and swiftly managed in the event of your demise. Now let's look at the details of what actually happens to your state pension when you die. The state pension isn't automatically inherited, but there are provisions for your spouse or civil partner. If you reach state pension age before 6 April 2016 and receive the basic state pension, your spouse or civil partner may be able to increase their basic state pension by using your qualifying years if they don't already get the full amount. However, they would only get these payments from the date they reach state pension age themselves. For those married or in a civil partnership, if you deferred your state pension before your death, your partner might be able to inherit some of this as either a lump sum or additional pension. This depends heavily on when you deferred and when you died. If you reach state pension age on or after 6 April 2016, you're receiving the new state pension. Your spouse or civil partner might inherit an extra payment on top of their state pension known as an additional state pension. However, this is only possible if you both met specific conditions regarding your national insurance contributions. In the case of a divorce, or if your civil partnership has dissolved, any rights to inherit your state pension usually end. But if you remarry or form a new civil partnership, your new spouse or civil partner could be eligible for extra payments from your state pension after your death. It's also vital to know that there is no provision for unmarried partners to inherit the state pension. Without a marriage or civil partnership, your partner cannot claim from your state pension after your death, which is a crucial point to consider in financial planning. Children are generally not eligible to directly inherit any part of your state pension. The system is designed to support a spouse or a civil partner. However, if you were over state pension age and were receiving certain other benefits, like the guardian's allowance, these might continue under specific conditions. Understanding the intricacies of how your state pension can support your loved ones after you're gone is key. It's advisable to discuss your situation with a financial advisor for tailored advice. Remember, keeping your nomination details up to date and understanding the rules that apply to your specific situation can make a significant difference in managing the financial impact on your loved ones. Your state pension is a vital part of your retirement planning, and knowing how it will be handled after your death is just as important. Every situation can have different implications on the rights to your state pension. It's crucial for you and your family to know these details as you plan your estate. Planning ahead and being informed about your state pension can alleviate unnecessary stress for your family during difficult times. It ensures that the benefits you've worked hard to secure can provide the maximum help possible. In summary, the state pension provides a foundation for financial security in retirement, but understanding its impact after your death is crucial. Make sure to get professional advice and keep your family informed about the potential benefits they could receive. Exploring the advantages and disadvantages of the state pension in the context of what happens when you die provides crucial insights for effective financial planning. Here are some key points to consider. One significant advantage of the state pension system is the potential for a spouse or civil partner to inherit an increase in their own pension. This can provide additional financial security during a period that is often marked by emotional and economic instability. However, a disadvantage is the complexity of the rules surrounding inheritance of the state pension. The conditions under which someone can inherit part of a deceased partner's pension are specific and can be confusing, which might require additional legal or financial advice to navigate. Another advantage is that deferring the state pension can lead to potentially higher sums being passed on to your spouse or civil partner. This deferred pension can significantly help the surviving partner maintain their standard of living. On the downside, the state pension is not transferable to cohabiting partners who are not married or in a civil partnership. This exclusion can leave a surviving partner vulnerable financially if they were dependent on the deceased's pension. An additional benefit is the inflation protection that comes with the state pension. Increases due to inflation are also passed on to a surviving spouse, helping to safeguard their purchasing power in the future. Conversely, there is a limitation in that only the spouse or civil partner can inherit, meaning children or other dependents cannot directly benefit from the deceased's state pension. This can complicate financial planning for those with dependents other than a spouse or civil partner. It is advantageous that some conditions allow for a lump sum payment to the surviving partner, which can be crucial for covering immediate expenses after a death. This can alleviate financial pressures during a challenging time. However, it's important to note that these benefits are contingent on both partners meeting specific national insurance contribution conditions. This requirement can be a significant barrier for some individuals, potentially leaving their partners with no additional support from the state pension. Before we move on to the rest of the video, if you are finding this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment, as it really helps this video reach a wider audience. Here is a case study related to what happens to your state pension when you die. Consider the situation of John, a retiree from Manchester who had been receiving his state pension. Knowing the importance of planning, John discussed with his wife, Mary, the potential benefits she could access upon his passing. They consulted a financial advisor to ensure Mary would be maximally protected through the provisions of the state pension. The advisor helped them understand that since John had deferred his state pension for several years, Mary was eligible to inherit some of this pension as a lump sum or as an extra payment alongside her own state pension. They made sure all the necessary documentation and nominations were in order, which streamlined the process for Mary to claim the benefits after John's death. This preemptive planning provided Mary with financial stability and peace of mind during a difficult time. To handle similar issues effectively, it is advisable to discuss your state pension arrangements with a financial advisor. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific circumstances and help you understand the implications of your pension after your death. Ensuring that you have all the necessary information and documentation in order can significantly ease the transition for your loved ones. Additionally, make sure to regularly review and update your nomination details. Life changes such as marriage, divorce, or the birth of a child can affect who is eligible to receive benefits from your pension. Keeping these details current can prevent complications and delays in the future. If you found this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us bring more useful content to you and is greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching, and make sure to keep your financial future secure by staying informed and prepared